Okay, folks, we are in the Jeep, and I am going to take the drone up, and we are going to check out this antenna that's up here. As we fly up, you'll see off to the right hand side we got a little bit of a line hanging out. See him right there. We got a little bit of a problem with that, and we're gonna switch to tripod mode so we don't come screaming in here, Mach 80. Maybe not. We'll put her back into position mode and come out from the guy wires. It's the only problem with flying up on these towers is you got to worry about all of the extra stuff, guy wires and everything included. So I am going to bring us right in, and now we'll switch to tripod mode so we're not moving around so darn fast. So you can see our transmission line here. Looks like the darn thing got ripped out of the top connector. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. I don't think that's gonna be broadcasting anything anytime soon. So we will move to the center of the face. Woo! A little bit of a weird wind gust there. Start coming up slow. If you're in the center of the face, the guy wires are off to the corners, so you can usually avoid them by staying in here. It's really difficult, but as you can see with all that line hanging there, it's all that weight is hanging on that top turnbuckle here. And we'll see about getting a little bit closer. But that guy right there is holding the entire weight of that transmission line. And it is not looking too darn nice. So if the wind keeps blowing and that thing keeps working itself back and forth, it will eventually rip itself. And that whole 40-60 foot section of line will come down. We're going to take a quick peek at the antenna and just see. Okay, there was the bottom. Okay, so this is directional antenna even. Nice. Those little silver rods behind each one of these bay arms seems to be parasitics. And yep, we are ripped right out of that connector. So there we go.